A penis growth program with actual video proof that it works. Real growth with video proof. You can't fake these enlargement results. Let's be honest, penis size is an important aspect of any man's life whether they want to admit it or not. The market is flooded with products and solutions that claim to have the answer to making your member bigger, but usually these products fail to deliver. Luckily, I happened to come across what might be the holy grail of penis enlargement. It's written by this guy named John Collins and it's called the Penis Enlargement Bible. What I found mind-blowing about John's program is that he backs up his claims with actual video proof and testimonials from customers who have used the product. It's said that a picture is worth 1,000 words, but I would say most of these videos are worth 3 to 4 inches. Forget extenders, pills, suction devices and surgery. They are either expensive, too painful or they just don't work. The Penis Enlargement Bible is a proven 2-step program that combines natural over-the-counter supplements with a specially designed exercise regime to achieve up to 4 inches of growth within just a few months. The methods and techniques in the Penis Enlargement Bible are exclusive to this unique program. The 2-step system involves low-cost off-the-shelf natural supplements and a specially designed exercise program. Many users experience gains of almost an inch within just a few weeks of starting this unique program. If you are serious about getting bigger, check out the Penis Enlargement Bible. Click the link below.